Hi, this is the fourth lesson, and it is to see if we really master what we've been learning. And it's taken from the Quran. It is Surah Al-Ikhlas, and the translator is Ustaz Kolodo Al-Bashir. So let's start. It is to continue learning them with Isaka Uruchiri. Lesson 4. This is the title. Iso Riki Sina de Surah. You see in them, if you see only one S, it's okay. It's pronounced S. You see S. And here, our Togolese languages, African languages do not allow cluster. But in this case, you have to pronounce all the consonantal sounds, like sna. It's so rike sna de sora. Iso de yide kujo lando kunyong niro. You see here